So for today's lesson, we will be discussing another interesting topic, and I believe this is very useful to those who do not know how to install, how to configure, and use the maintenance tools of a printer. So without so much ado, let's discuss printer installation, configuration, and maintenance. So what is a printer? It is a machine for printing text or pictures onto a paper. So if you want to have a hard copy of your electronic document, so you can use a printer. So what are the steps to install a printer? So number one is you are going to plug in the printer's power cord in the outlet. So take note that we should be careful in doing this. The second step is to turn on the printer and connect the printer's connector in the USB port. So like for example, in our pictures here, so we are going to press this button to turn on the printer and connect the printer's connector to the USB port of the computer. Okay, the next step is to install the printer's driver. See to it that the printer's driver is compatible with your operating system. For example, if your operating system is Windows 10 64-bit, make it sure that you download and install the printer's driver that is compatible to that operating system. And the last one is if you want to see if you successfully installed your printer, so you need to print something. What are the steps to print a document? Okay, so the first thing to do is to open the document to be printed. Next, press Ctrl P, or if you are using Office 2010, so you click the Office button and then click Print button. And then you can see there the print window. And then we are going to set page range and number of copies to be printed. So let's discuss first the three options under page range. Okay, so what is all option? Click all option if you print all the pages of the document. Second, if you want to print the current page of your document, you click this option. Now, if you want to set the page or pages that you want to print in your document, you can do that by clicking this option. Like for example, if you have 15 pages in your document and you only want to print page 1, 5, and 10, so you type in here in this box 1, 5, and then 10. Now if you want to have more than one copy of your document, you can set it here, or you can type here, let's say 2, if you want to have 2 copies of your document, or 2 copies of page or pages. Okay, so this time let's talk about the printer's maintenance tools. So take note, for you to see these tools, you need to install first the printer's driver. Okay, so number one tool that we can use is the nozzle check. When to use this if image is unexpectedly faint or dots in the printed image are missing. And cleaning tool. Black is missing from the print. There are gaps in the print. One or more colors are missing from the print. And the other type of tool that we can use is the print head alignment. If our printouts become grainy or blurry, and we notice misalignment of vertical lines, or we see dark or light horizontal bands, we may need to align the print head. So we know now what to do if we see this kind of error in our printout. And the last tool that we can use in maintaining our printer or correcting its printout is the Power Ink flashing. If you still see white or dark lines or missing colors in your printouts even after cleaning the print head several times, you can use the Power Ink flashing. Take note that if you use this tool, make it sure that your ink is enough because it consumes so much ink if you use this tool. Okay, so these are the things that I want to share with you today. So again, let's have a recap. A while back, I have discussed with you how to install, configure the printer, and the maintenance tools that we can use in maintaining our printer or correcting its output. So I have prepared 5 questions as evaluation if you learned something. Okay? Number 1, in order to properly use the printer, what program should you install? A. Antivirus. B. Microsoft Office. C. Printer's driver. Or D. Printer's user manual. So, I'm going to give you 5 seconds to think what is the correct answer. Okay, so the answer is C. A. We need to install the printer's driver. Next question. This is a situational question. Sarah is trying to print in a long bond paper, but the printed text is cut. She already set the paper width into 13, but the output is still the same. What do you think is the solution to Sarah's problem? A. She needs to buy a new printer. B. She needs to install the printer's driver. C. She needs to use an expensive bond paper for printing. Or D. She needs to install a new word processing program. So, which do you think is the correct answer? So again, I'll give you 5 seconds to think. Okay, time is up. If your answer is letter B, congratulations because that is the correct answer. So she needs to install the printer's driver. As I have discussed to you a while back, we need to install the printer's driver, enable for us to use the printer properly and to maximize its use. Third question. This is very easy. You can only set 1 copy per printing. Is it true or false? 5 seconds. What is your answer? If your answer is false, that is correct. We can set more than 1 copy of our document to be printed. Number 4, if you still see white or dark lines or missing colors in your printouts, even after cleaning the print head several times, what maintenance tools are you going to use? A. Power Ink flashing. B. Print head alignment. C. Nozzle check. Or D. Head cleaning. 5 seconds again. Time is up. The answer is letter A. And this question is, image is unexpectedly faint or dots in the printed image are missing. What maintenance tools are you going to use? A. Power Ink flashing. B. Print head alignment. C. Head cleaning. Or D. Nozzle check. 5 seconds to answer. Time is up. The answer is letter D. Okay? So congratulations to those who got the correct answer, and to those who did not, you review this lesson again. Okay, so I hope this lesson is useful. I hope you have learned something, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Okay, so for other reminders, I want you to read your modules that talks about the maintenance of computer. If there are questions or clarifications, you may contact me through Facebook Messenger, or you can call me in my CP number. Okay, once again, thank you and goodbye.